Over the last 18 months, we've been working to design and develop the IN4.0 ACCESS Disruptive Innovation Accelerator. With the support of our partners, BAE Systems, NatWest, Amazon Web Services, Vodafone and many others, we've been able to bring the most unique accelerator program to our manufacturing clients from across the Northwest to help them understand the opportunity digital transformation can bring, but more importantly, can empower their future leaders with the skills to drive the business forward.
I was introduced to IN4.0 ACCESS and the reason I've joined it is because I'm interested to learn from a lot of experts, share ideas, develop our product range, find out the needs and challenges in the industry and hopefully take our business to the next level.
So I think it's really important for Siemens to work with IN4.0 ACCESS, and I think with digitalisation accelerating at such a rapid rate, we need to not only bring in new skills from academia but also upskill our existing staff, because they bring a very different quality in terms of value to the business if we can upskill them with the new technologies.
Well, we've joined the IN4.0 ACCESS course really to help engage with academia, understand the concept fully of Industry 4 so that we can inform our strategy, and that will involve introducing new skills into the business via training, upskilling our existing people, retaining talent within the region, but also bringing new talent into the business. The output I want from the course is to roadmap our Industry 4 strategy in line with industry expertise.
I'm supporting IN4.0 ACCESS because at Project we've been through an amazing transformation in the last 5 years, and it's really important to me to help other companies manage to do the same within their businesses.
As a company, we can't not do it, to be quite honest with you. You know, this is where it's going. We've been through the lean manufacturing principles. We've got a really nice business. We've had double-digit growth for the last 6 years, and we're coming to a point now where we're probably growing too big too quickly, and now we start having to put the extra bits and pieces within our business to ensure that we can continue to do double-digit growth. I think every business within UK manufacturing has to start looking at this.
The vision for us is we want to be leaders globally in Industry 4, to create pioneers and to future-proof the jobs of the future for our future talent to access and have the skills to succeed in every single region in the UK.